In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Udemy password. Resetting your Udemy password is helpful if you forgot your login details, cannot access your account, or simply want to update your password for better security. First, open Udemy in your browser or mobile app. On the login page, click Login. Instead of entering your password, look for the option that says Forgot Password or Forgot Your Password. Next, enter the email address connected to your Udemy account. Make sure you use the same email address you used when signing up or purchasing your courses. After entering the email, submit the password reset request. Now open your email inbox and look for a password reset message from Udemy. If you do not see it right away, check your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folder. Sometimes reset emails can take a few minutes to arrive. Once you find the email, open it and click the password reset link. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that is different from your old one. It is best to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple passwords like your name, birthday, or the word password. After entering your new password, confirm it and save the change. Then return to the Udemy login page and sign in using your email address and new password. If the reset link has expired, go back to the login page and request a new password reset email. If you no longer have access to the email address connected to your Udemy account, contact Udemy support for help recovering access. Once you are back in your account, check your account settings and make sure your email address and security information are up to date. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.